dirt, rock, or sand. Your challenge, our solution. Hello everyone, welcome to Hubei Off-Road Special Vehicle. Today I will introduce this 6-drive dump truck for you. This dump truck is powered by a Cummins 210 horsepower engine and provides strong power. It is also equipped with a 6-speed transmission and high and low 2-speed transfer case, flexible control of vehicle speed, and distribution of power. Fitted with 12.5 R20 tires, front, middle, and rear axles 3.5 tons. Excellent load bearing capacity. Its wheelbase is 2,475 plus 1,250 millimeters. The cargo box is about 4.3 meters long, 2.3 meters wide, and 1.5 meters high. The cargo box has a 3-door opening. The left, right, and rear sides can be unloaded to improve the unloading efficiency. In the field of mining, intercity logistics, urban infrastructure, etc., it is an indispensable distance. This vehicle also adopts a double roll cab. It can carry 7 people, which can meet your needs of carrying people. Load more, achieve more. This dump truck will bring you the joy experience of high efficiency. Today's introduction ends here. For more vehicle information, please search mscvc.com. Bye bye.